Okay, let's get right to it. Most people are using AI tools completely wrong.
And it's costing them hours of wasted time every single week. With hundreds of tools out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But here's the truth. You don't need 20 different tools. You just need the right ones for what you actually do. So I'm going to show you exactly which AI tools to use based on your real work. First up, AI for writing and thinking. If you write reports or emails, start here.
Need speed and flexibility? Use ChatGPT. Working on long documents? Claude is your best bet.
Seriously, if you only pick one AI category to master, make it this one. Next, productivity. Do you ever feel busy all day but get nothing important done? Then you've got to check out Notion AI or Microsoft Copilot. They're total game changers. Use them to summarize meetings, organize tasks, and actually plan your work with clarity. And get this, it's not just about working faster. These tools help you think better. All right, for all you creators out there, let's talk design and content.
Canva is your go-to for fast, easy designs. But for pure creative power, it's Midjourney.
And remember, good visuals aren't just fluff. They're what get you noticed. Let's talk research. Are you still spending hours just sifting through Google results? You have to switch to Perplexity AI or Elicit. You'll get answers way faster. Think of it like this. It's Google, but it actually understands what you're asking. Okay, let's talk career growth. Want that next promotion? These tools are key. Use Grammarly to improve your emails, and Resume.io, it'll help you build a much stronger CV. Here's the thing. Your skills are crucial, for sure, but how you present them matters even more. So how do you actually pick the right tool for you? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Just ask yourself these 3 simple questions. It'll point you to the perfect tool every time. The big takeaway? Don't chase the hype. Choose tools that solve your actual daily problems. Look, you don't have to learn everything. The smartest people just master the right tools. So I want to know from you, which AI tool are you using the most right now? Drop it below.